welcome to the Sinha house. Alright, I'm so excited. Actually, we are so excited. My name is the one shooting, so let's go ahead and give you an empty house tour. Alright, come on in. So this is the foyer, as you can see. And here is the office. So this is gonna be my office. And here is a marvelous room. It's a pet bath. And then we have a coat closet here. And then let's go this way. This is the garage door. This is the garage door. And this is like our coffee area. And this is the pantry here. So here we have a drop zone, which is gonna be perfect for Marvel's cleaning towels, and when Aiden grows up, you know how it goes. And then this is the coffee station, which is also going to be our favorite station. We have set up everything for that. And let's go this way. This is the guest suite. So this has the bathroom, a full bath. And this is the bedroom with a beautiful view of our backyard. And the closet. And this is the closet. And let's go to the main area. And now we're gonna go to my favorite area. Let's go. Ta-da! The kitchen! Alright, so we are gonna get the fridge here. This is the microwave and this is the oven. Look at that, so pretty. And this microwave is also what do you call?
Convection oven.
A convection oven, yeah. And then we have so much of storage that I'm just so excited about it. And then all the cabinets. These are all the soft close drawers. As you can see, we got it all over the house. All the cabinets, look at that. And then also amazing thing that we got is pull out drawers on all the kitchen cabinets. And then we have this beautiful stove that where you're gonna find me all the time, all day, all night. And this beautiful vent.
And one of the things we did choose for this venting, it's a perimeter venting, so it takes the air from all sides and it throws outside the house.
Yeah. And then here is our dishwasher. And then look at this stainless steel, beautiful stainless steel
Farmhouse sink.
Farmhouse sink. Beautiful stainless steel farmhouse sink. And now this is the dining area. And this needs to be moved, so don't worry about that. And we have beautiful big windows here for so much of good lighting. And then let's go outside. This is one of the favorite part of our house. The screen patio.
That is our beautiful long backyard, all the way up top until there. We are super excited to furnish this place.
And then let's go to the living room. So this, ta-da, is the living room. Again, so many windows that we love about this place. So much of light. And it's a beautiful, beautiful, very big space. And then also one thing I forgot to show about my kitchen. The big island. One very good thing about this island is that it has this sleep drawer, a sleep cabinet, And look at the storage. It's like you can keep the charcuterie boards, the chopping boards, and all the big, long boards, and it has on both sides. So when I say this kitchen has so much of storage, it really does have so much of storage. One last thing in the first floor is this half bath for guests that is very close to the living room. And now let's go upstairs. Alright, let's go. And you also look at this beautiful railing. And then again, more windows. Alright, let's keep going. This spot also has a beautiful big space to keep something very beautiful. And this is the place where we're gonna keep our temple / mandir, and yeah, it's gonna be perfect for this. And then we have our laundry room, and then we have our media room here. Again, windows. This room also has a beautiful view.
For backyard.
Yeah, for a backyard. And the $2 million house.
Oh yeah. The house right behind these trees is the $2 million farmhouse.
Yeah.
So Aiden can watch some goats and animals.
Alright. So let's start with this room. This is my office, and it has a small window but enough lighting. It also has a closet right here, and then it has an attached bath, a full bath. And then let's go this way. We have storage, linen storage again. And then this is Ivan's room with a view of the $2 million house. And this is his closet. Let's go this way. This is Ivan's bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom, so that kind of style. So it has 2 sinks, and the tub is here. It also has, again, linen storage and another sink. And then you come into this room because it's a Jack and Jill style, so this can be another kid's room, but for now it's gonna be a playroom for Aiden. And this is the closet for that. And now, are you ready to check out the master bedroom? Ta-da! This is the master bedroom. I love that it has like huge windows here, and then also on this wall. And now let's go to the master bath. So this is our double vanity with the stand-alone tub with the beautiful shower. And then here is the potty with a view. This is my young's closet. And then there is also another linen storage right here behind this door. And then to my closet. Look at that. And the best part of this closet, it has a window. So can you imagine the amount of light? And then it feels so big, I think, because of the windows. So it's already big, but because of the window, it feels more big. Alright, so that was our quick empty house tour. And we are absolutely in love with this house. We are closing next month. So by the time this video will be posted, we would have already closed and moved in. So yeah, that's very exciting. And we are very excited to furnish this beautiful house, and then we will also show all the details from where we got the furniture, what the countertop is, what the cabinets are, and every single detail, small details, we are gonna share it with you when we move in. Yeah, when we'll be shooting the individual area, and then we will share everything with you guys.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed a quick glimpse into a beautiful home. It took a lot of time, patience, effort to build this. Kudos to the builders, the team who kept us updated. We are so excited. Like Tanya said, it will be closed when you will see this video, and we'll start shooting every single room of this house as we furnish it, as we organize it, the kitchen, the master, the living room. So stay excited with us, and we're gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.